Hello YouTube and welcome to lesson 12 of the Premiere Pro tutorial series. Today we're going to look at captions onto Premiere Pro. So what I'm going to do is I created a caption folder right here and I have my sequence settings right here. So I'm going to go inside the caption folder and then I'm going to create a new caption. So once I create a new caption, what I can do is you can see the caption option over here. I'm just going to drag it onto the timeline, onto the second layer. And then I can readjust the part where I want to show the caption to. So I can double click on it and then I can simply type caption. And what this also allows me to do is it allows me to increase the length, of course, about the time of the caption that I want to show in the video. So let's say, for example, I can squeeze it in or keep it forward. So this kind of has a limit, if you can see there. So Premiere does not allow me to keep the caption for a very long time. So I can also increase it like this over here. So in and out point in the timeline itself, I can adjust it from over here as well. So I'm just gonna say this is my caption for the video. And then I can center line it. Let's have a two-liner caption just like this. And I can center line it. I can italicize it. I can add in a music icon. So if I were to press this, so usually for karaoke we use this. I can underline a part of my caption. I can color my caption right here. Color is just a part of the caption. Then I can choose the text as well for the caption. So it gives me a lot of options, as you can see over here. So over here, what I can do is, in order to add in another caption, what I'm going to do is go back to my project window. I want to make sure that I arrange everything onto the caption right here. So new item, caption. So this is a bit tedious process, if you can see over here. And over here, I'm going to rename this to caption 1. All right. And then over here, I'm gonna type a multi-liner caption just like this. And I can either choose a roll 2-line, that is, this just shows the 2-line on the span of this frame right here. It'll show just the 2-liner and it'll scroll up. 3-liner is 3-line scroll up, and 4-liner is a 4-line scroll up. So I'm just gonna choose 3-line over here, and I'm gonna align it to the right side. Let me select all of it and right side. And then I'm going to choose another caption right here again, press OK, and then I'm going to say caption 2 for this, drag the caption onto the timeline right here, and then I'm just going to have a one-liner caption for this. I can even change the position of the caption, as you can see from this position caption block right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to export this out. I want to make sure that it quickly exports so that I can show it to you guys. So I'm just going to crop it just like this. Maybe crop a bit of the caption over there according to the time. So according to the time, the caption will appear. And the caption will not actually appear on the video right here. So be careful about that. And I'm going to go to File, Export Media. And I'm going to go to Caption right here. On the effects, there's Caption. And I'm going to choose Burn Caption onto video right now. So I'm going to export this out. Go to my desktop. I'm going to delete the previous file over here. Export this as my first edit, save it and export it. And it will export the video with the caption right here. So what happens with burn caption on the video is that the caption will be the part of the video and it cannot be turned off after the video is exported. You can alternatively export the SRT file, but you do not really get the effects onto the caption just like this, which is the preferred way of using the caption actually. We do not really use much effects in the caption. See the video, and once I play the video, you can actually see that the caption is embedded onto the video just like that, and it shows a bit of an error. So I guess that an exporting problem is seen over there. So usually when I embed the caption, and if I use too many effects, you can see that there are errors onto the caption. Let us just go over here to the export option over here, and this time I'm going to choose create a sidebar file. I'm going to delete the rendered video right here. So let me just delete this out. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this, desktop, save and export. And this time I chose create a sidecar file. So an SRT file will be generated. I'm going to choose SRT because that's the most common format used on the internet. And usually, since there's online media right now, this is the popular format that's going on around the web. So it finished exporting, and there with the caption, with the video file, you can see that a caption file for SRT is generated. So if I were to play the video, what happens is that I do not usually get the same effect. I just get the caption as I want. But with this caption, what happens is that I'm able to turn off the caption just like this. So if I were to play the video, let me just play the video again, right click, I can go to subtitle and I can disable the subtitle track onto my VLC player or my other media player. So it's easier for me to actually enable and disable the caption file just like that. This gives more option. I can even export multiple caption, but for that you have to create another layer for it because Premiere currently doesn't support it in this version right here. Maybe in the newer versions it'll correct this. So now if I were to go onto the SRT file, there's a simple plain text file. So if I were to edit it with Notepad++, you can actually see that this is actually readable. So you can see that the time code is there. So from 1 second to 2 seconds, this is going to be displayed. This is the caption 2. 5 seconds to 200, this is going to be displayed. So if I were to change the text right here, normally I do not prefer using Premiere for subtitle. I prefer typing the caption onto the video myself. So I'm just going to say this is my title. You don't really have to use Notepad++, just plain old Notepad will work as well. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to say hello there. I just changed the caption just like that. I'm going to say right now, right here. Alright, so let me just save this out. Let me just close this out. I'm going to go to my first edit and then you can see that my caption is edited just like that. So hello there, whatever I typed on to the SRT file is actually saved. But if you do not prefer coding, then Premiere is definitely the option to choose over there. So anyways, hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.